Today we are gonna learn about capacitors. What is capacitor? A capacitor is a device that stores electrical energy in an electric field. It is a passive electronic component with two terminals. The effect of a capacitor is known as capacitance. There are different types of capacitor. Now let's see what is inside of a capacitor. A capacitor is a bit like a battery, but it has a different job to do. A battery uses chemicals to store electrical energy and release it very slowly through a circuit. Capacitors come in all shapes and sizes, but they usually have the same basic components. There are the two conductors, known as plates, largely for historic reasons, and there's the insulator in between them, called the dielectric. The two plates inside a capacitor are wired to two electrical connections on the outside called terminals, which are like thin metal legs you can hook into an electric circuit. Now we know what's inside of capacitor. Let's see why capacitors are used. Capacitors are widely used in electronic circuits for blocking direct current while allowing alternating current to pass. In analog filter networks, they smooth the output of power supplies. In resonant circuits they tune radios to particular frequency,